Okay, so today I got some other stuff going on, but I want to do some of the touch-up paint. Since it was spray paint, I still have several bottles left. So I'm going to tape up one section and spray it, and then I'm also going to spray some in a cup and use a brush to do touch-up. Just kind of see which one's easier. I'm sure just the brush would be easier. I want to see how it kind of looks, because I really don't want to tape this thing again. I hate using painter's tape. I had such a problem with getting it off, which I know is because it was left on too long because of my shoulder injury. But yeah, so I'm gonna wipe it down, tape off a section, spray it, and then I'll go around and do another section with a brush with some paint in a cup. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I think there's going to be too much overspray to spray it, unless I just tape all the little railings, the silver parts. So I guess since this section's already kind of done, I'll finish spraying it, and then we'll see how it goes with just the touch-up. Trying to protect it a little bit more. Wind again. Deal with wind almost every time I painted the cowling. I think this will work. Alright, I gave it some time to dry because when I was going back it was still kind of wet and it was scraping off what I just put on there. This part though, I don't know, we'll just have to wait and see how it looks, because the newer paint obviously shines more than the older paint, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna hit this with a second coat. Well, it's not great. I'm not going to win the painting contest. Definitely probably wouldn't get a job as a painter. But it looks better than what it did. So I'm going to go ahead and go around and hit as many spots as I can find. I didn't do too great with the brush. You can see where I got on the metal pretty bad in some areas, but I mean, it definitely looks better than what it did. It had all the little white spots from where the paint come off from the tape, or the paint would chip or just didn't go on really thick in some areas, or thick enough. This section where I taped and used the spray can again, I mean, on a whole it turned out better, but you can see there was a lot of overspray, so that's not great. But I'll just get some of that paint remover and do some touch up at some point. All in all though, it looks a lot better than what it did, so pretty happy with it. I'm just glad it's over and done with. I'm tired of dealing with the paint and the tape and having to remove the stickers and all that, so move on to something else.